I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
If you want to hear them, they're in that purple van sitting right over there. He's got a bunch of SDDN 18s in there. But yeah, brand new SDDN, and they all do NSP6. These be hitting NEEWERs in probably about 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah, but for comparison, that's CV6, SDDN, NSP6, and then a little U down there on the end.
If you wouldn't have said that, I thought that was the same.
This one goes to a little bit bigger diameter motor. You've got the cooling channels at the top. The biggest difference you're going to see is this one goes to the bigger coil. Bigger coil we call 3.3-inch coil.
Yeah.
It's a minimal difference from 3-inch to 3.3, but the extra power handling is amazing. So you go from basically a 2,500 watt rating up to a 3,500 watt rating. Just that little bit of difference. I've beat on these things. I did an hour-and-a-half live feed this week.
I watched that one.
Yeah, I went for an hour-and-a-half playing 20 hertz, and I went up and down while I was talking. I turned down for a little bit to talk, and then I just go right back to blast it. We did it for an hour-and-a-half straight, no issue.
It held up. What don't you run like 9? How many amps on there?
Yeah, I think it's got 9 Crossfire 8Ks on there. One per sub. It has those.
Okay, that's what I thought it was.
Yeah, so SDDNs are only available in dual 1. So that's what I tell everybody. Be prepared. If you're going to run 1 amp per sub, you have to run a half ohm, and not, get a pair of amps, run 1 amp per coil, something like that.
Yeah.
They're only available in dual 1. It's just the way the gap is and the coil. If we want to get as much motor force, they run a really big coil, a lot of windings, they can just soak up heat. But unlike other manufacturers, they'll make a big beefy sub. This one does just soak power, so they can brag about it'll handle so much power. But it won't handle so much power and continue to get loud. These were designed to handle the power, to have the cooling, and get loud doing it and sound good doing it. So a lot of R&D, a lot of design work put into this subwoofer.
Yeah, it looking good. Yeah. That's why that's why y'all said the 5-inch coil will only be in 1 ohm as well.
That one I'm not sure of.
Not yet.
That's still in the works.
Yeah. This thing a monster right here though. You got ready to swap out, eh? Got that? Yeah. That's a
U there. Yeah, so we just brought in the new version 2 of the U's. It's on UV1, really popular sub. We brought a new version 2. A lot of similarities, just the only big difference, we added some extra cooling into the system, added some extra cooling vents here, or cooling fins, added some extra support in the frames. But most of all, same big subwoofer.
Yeah.
Yeah, new UV2, this is the new X8 V4. These we're hoping to have in stock in about a month. So this is a production model. It'll look just like this, perform just like this. The new X8 V4 and the new U6 now. We'll actually have these in stock in 1 month. They'll be hitting dealer distributors. Got that, what I call the Mini Mega W.
Yeah.
Yeah, that made for a 6-snap sub. It's a lot of output.
Yeah.
That's me right there. I'm an SBL guy. I compete in the lane. That you good for that. Lane.
Yep, these get a 400 watt rating. We bumped the new X8 V4. We bumped up to a full 1,000 watt rating on these.
That's a lot of power on a small.
Look at that big motor though, man.
That's a 6.5 or?
That's an 8.
That's 6.5.
Yeah, this is 6.5. You're 6.5 to X8.
That's an 8, yeah.
That's that one you put under the seat, under the truck.
Sometimes you'll say you can get things like cheap, fast, or quality, stuff like that. Pick 2 of the 3. So if you're going to short, output, or price tag, you're going to pick kind of 2 of the 3. So this one you're going to get the shoulder with good output and an expensive price tag.
Yeah.
You go to the SD4, it's got the Neo motor. You're going to get it to sound better. You're going to get probably a little more output, but the price tag's going to go up. Yeah. Then you go up to an SLD, it's going to have the most output. It's going to you run these in a box just big enough to hold the sub, little half cube or less box.
Yeah.
You don't even have to do a seat lift on these. I like to do these in just a simple little box, do a riser off the bottom, down fire them, shove it right in the back seat of any full size truck.
Oh, yeah. You gonna tell me?
Yeah, there'll be a bunch of videos coming on this, the YouTube channel next week. We just built a little small seal box just big enough to hold them. So I'm gonna do the SML, the SD4, and the SLD. I'm gonna do head-to-head tests in one long video.
Yeah. I'm gonna be sure to tune into that one. Y'all, you been live here a lot lately though.
Yeah, we're trying to push TikTok a little harder, trying to get back up on all the social media and push it hard this year.
Yeah.
We took a break for a little bit. Chummy's been going through a big transition.
Yeah.
You know, he's had a massive changeover, so all that's getting finalized. I've got some extra time to work now, so now we're back into promotion and social media.
Definitely so it is.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate the work you're doing.
Equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.